Hey there, my fellow hustlers. Welcome back to Money Buys Freedom, the place where we dive deep into the world of making money online and building your financial freedom. Today, we've got a topic that's going to change your life: supplemental online income side hustles that actually work. Get ready to level up your income game because we're about to explore some incredible opportunities. All right, before we dive into the exciting side hustles, let's talk about why supplemental income is so crucial in today's world. The cost of living is rising, and having just one source of income isn't enough to secure your financial future. That's where side hustles come in. They can help you pay off debt, tackle those student loans, credit card debts, or that mortgage faster, build an emergency fund, be prepared for life's unexpected curveballs, invest and grow, have more money to invest, and make your money work for you. Achieve financial goals, whether it's traveling the world, buying a house, or retiring early. Now let's dive into the first side hustle, which is freelancing. If you have a skill or talent, freelancing can be a goldmine. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or social media guru, there's a market for your services. The beauty of freelancing is that you can do it part-time or full-time. You get to choose your clients and set your rates. And guess what? Freelancers earn an average of $31 per hour. That's real money, my friends. All right, next up, we're talking about selling on e-commerce platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Etsy. This side hustle is fantastic because it allows you to turn clutter into cash or start a brand new business. Here's how it works. You source products, either by selling stuff you already own or finding profitable items to flip. Then you list them online and wait for the sales to roll in. With dedication and a little research, you can easily pull in an extra $500 to $1,000 per month. Affiliate marketing, my personal favorite, is next on our list. It's the art of earning commissions by promoting other people's products or services. The best part? You can do it while you sleep. Here's how it works. You sign up for affiliate programs, get unique tracking links, and then promote those products through your website, blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. In 2020, the affiliate marketing industry was worth over $12 billion. And trust me, there's room for everyone to get a piece of the pie. Moving on to the world of online courses and digital products. If you have expertise in a particular field or a passion for teaching, this one's for you. You can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even your website. People are hungry for knowledge, and they're willing to pay for it. In fact, the online learning market is expected to reach $375 billion by 2026. Plus, you can also sell digital products like ebooks, printables, or design templates. It's a fantastic way to turn your knowledge and creativity into cash. All right, photographers and videographers, this one's for you. Did you know that you can make money from your passion by selling your photos and videos online? Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images are always on the hunt for high-quality visual content. All you need is a good camera, some creativity, and you're good to go. Some contributors make thousands of dollars every month through stock media. Now let's talk about the gig economy, which is booming. If you have a car and some spare time, consider becoming a driver for ride-sharing apps like Uber or Lyft. It's flexible, and you can earn extra income on your schedule. If driving isn't your thing, you can also deliver food or packages using apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Amazon Flex. The demand for delivery drivers skyrocketed during the pandemic, and it's still going strong. Here's a side hustle that's super easy to get into: online surveys and market research. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer cash, gift cards, or other rewards for taking surveys, watching videos, or participating in market research studies. It won't make you rich, but it's a simple way to earn extra cash in your free time. Now, let's get into the world of real estate without actually buying properties. Real estate crowdfunding is a fantastic way to invest in properties with a relatively small amount of money. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to invest in commercial and residential real estate projects. You can earn passive income through rental income and property appreciation. In some cases, investors have seen annual returns of 8%, a treasure trove of side hustles that can help you supplement your income and achieve your financial goals. Remember, the key to success with side hustles is consistency, dedication, and a bit of creativity. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips, strategies, and inspirational stories. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in today, and as always, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep growing. Your financial freedom is just around the corner. Until next time, stay awesome.